When I first came to Bangkok for the first time, I was a complete newbie. I over-relied and overpaid too much on taxis, like a typical tourist wearing my newly acquired elephant pants. Just kidding, I never wore those ugly things. If this is your first time traveling around Thailand, or if you're a veteran, I would suggest a different alternative option than using taxis. Although quite convenient, there are better ways to explore this wonderful city, and that is the public transportation system here in Bangkok. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use the BTS, the MRT, and the Tuk Tuks. Come on, let's go for a ride. The BTS, no, not the Korean pop band, but the Bangkok Mass Transit System, otherwise known as the BTS SkyTrain. First implemented in December of 1999, the BTS public transit system spans up to 64 stations and 3 different lines. You have the Sukhumvit line running you in the center of Bangkok, the Silom line that runs southwest of Bangkok, and you have the newly implemented Gold line that was first introduced in 2020, located in the Thonburi district on the other side of the Chao Phraya River. Alright, so what's really cool about the BTS, the Bangkok Transit System, the BTS SkyTrain, is that not only do you use this station to go to your destination, but inside the station there's actually really cool random things around here. There's places where you can buy bread, you can buy coffee, milk tea. There's actually a place in front of me where you can actually get your manicure and your pedicures done. A lot of nice conveniences all over the place. One thing I do want to introduce you guys to is that there are 2 options that you can purchase your BTS ticket. The first option right behind me is more of an automated feature. What these 2 gentlemen are doing, you can actually put cash or coins in Thai baht. You can select your destination wherever you want to go. So for example, I want to go to Asok, about 2 to 3 stops from here. Put in the desired amount, select, and your ticket's going to come out with the change. Now, however, if you're not comfortable with using an automated option, you can go right behind me where this line is being queued up right now, and you can speak with the BTS employee behind the ticket counter. Tell them where you want to go, and you can pay either in credit card or in cash. Let's go to the ticket counter and let's go buy our tickets. It's going to be 2 stops from here to BTS Asok. I'm going to guess it's probably around maybe 35 baht. See how much the price is. 25 baht, I was way off. Let's go inside. Arrived here at the Asok station, the BTS Asok station. Wasn't too hard, right? Super simple, super convenient. To my right is the infamous Terminal 21 shopping mall, very popular with tourists and expats and locals alike. However, we won't be going to the Terminal 21 shopping mall. Instead, we're going to be going to the MRT station to my left, which is the equivalent of Thailand's New York City subway station, except that it's way better than the New York City subway station, because that place is smelly and it's dangerous. However, the MRT is not. It's clean and nice. I need to stop making fun of America so much. Anyways, let's go check out the MRT station. We're going to be getting off the Asok station with a single-use ticket card. Take the card right here. When you exit, slip that bad boy under here. Woohoo! And you're here. Fun little Bangkok travel hack. The The Asok station is one of the few stations over here that you can do a transfer station from the BTS to the MRT. So we're gonna be heading down the stairs. Let's go check out the MRT. The MRT, or Metropolitan Rapid Transit System, began operations in July of 2004 and composes of 2 rapid transit lines with an additional 3 lines currently under construction. You have the MRT Blue Line, which runs you between Kuala Lumpur near Chinatown all the way to Bangsu, while the MRT Purple Line runs from Tao Pun all the way up northwest Bangkok through the Notonburi province. So right behind me is the MRT, very similar system to the BTS. Right behind me is an automated system where you can tap your destination station, tap and just pay with Thai baht. You can also go to the employees behind the ticket counter, tell them where you want to go, and then just pay however much it costs. However, here's a little trick that one of my long-term expat friends have told me. So if you guys are a Visa credit card holder with a tap-to-pay microchip over there, the MRT has actually partnered up with Visa. So instead of purchasing a ticket, you can just use your credit card. For American credit card holders, I have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. You can go up to the machine, tap it, and that's it. You don't have to buy a ticket, which is issued in a little chip that they give you. For video's sake, I'll show you how to do both options. Let's go buy a ticket. No.
31 ค่ะ
31, okay. So 31 baht. Open top.
ค่ะ
So with the MRT, for your ticket, it's actually issued in a chip. So there are 2 ways, like I mentioned before. You can use the ticket option. This ticket chip over here, tap it through here and lets you in. Or you can also use your Visa credit card with a tap to pay. Tap it through here on top as well. What I love riding about here compared to the New York subway, there's aircon. So much aircon.
Next station,
So we finally arrived here at our destination over at MRT Wat Man Khong. Now this is the station you want to take if you're taking the MRT over here to Bangkok Chinatown. Now if you have your token with you, you can insert the token into the machine right behind me and be on your way out. However, if you have a Visa card with a microchip, you can use the tap to pay option. It'll recognize from where your original destination was, tap your credit card onto the machine, and as well, be on your way out. Now, a fun little fact about here at MRT Wat Man Khong Station, it's one of the newest constructed MRTs here in Bangkok Chinatown through the whole MRT system. It's especially beautiful during Chinese New Year's when it gets all decorative and red and whatnot. All right, so we're here in Bangkok Chinatown outside of the MRT Wat Man Khong Station. I've showed you guys how to use the BTS, the MRT. We're gonna take a little break right now, grab some lunch at one of my favorite dim sum restaurants over here. Fun little fact, at the time of this recording today, it's my birthday. Woo! Anyways, doesn't matter if it's my birthday, no special day to me in my opinion. I wanna keep working, keep putting out content because I love each and every one of you guys. I f***ing love you guys, right? That's why I do this shit. Anyways, enough cursing, let's go get some food. So we just finished lunch over at this wonderful dim sum place named Lao Tang. Now the final public transportation that everybody should at least try once here in Bangkok, the Tuk Tuks. They're not as cheap and inexpensive as the BTS or the MRT, but it's all about the novelty experience of trying out the Tuk Tuk. It all depends on how much you negotiate with the drivers. Sometimes you could get ripped off, sometimes you can get an okay deal. But it's all about the novelty experience, especially traveling here in Bangkok. Let's see whether I get a good deal or if I get ripped off. 150. So that's pretty good. Just speaking with them, especially if it's a younger guy, you know, they charge me for 150. I was expecting 300 or 350 from Bangkok Chinatown over to Siam Paragon. It also helps a lot that I know a little bit of Thai, but my translator behind my camera that's filming me right now says that I need to work on my tones more because I speak Thai like a harsh Chinese guy. So when you're speaking Thai with the tones, soft, melodic. But we're going to be heading over to Siam Paragon at the Tuk Tuk. And I'm going to conclude this video right here. I hope you guys have gotten a lot of value. You know, don't be afraid of taking the BTS, the MRT, or the Tuk Tuks. And even if for the Tuk Tuks, even if you pay a little bit more, it's okay. It's okay. Don't let it ruin your experience. But if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like this video, comment, let me know what you guys think, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and I'm going to be celebrating the rest of my birthday, just relaxing and having a nice, restful day on my birthday. Cheers. Take care, guys. Love y'all. Bye.